As a parent or caregiver, there's nothing more important than your child's safety, especially when it comes to traveling in a motor vehicle. That's why using a child safety seat is not only a safest practice, but it's also the law in Wisconsin. Let's review how you can secure your future by keeping your child buckled up safely. In Wisconsin, children must ride secured in a child safety seat or booster in a car, SUV, minivan, pickup truck, or any other motor vehicle until they are 8 years old, or weigh 80 pounds, or are at least 4 feet 9 inches. Children under the age of 4 must be in a child safety seat in the rear seat of the vehicle unless there is no rear seat. Installing and properly using a child safety seat helps to secure your future and theirs. That's why, to start, it's vital to carefully follow the car seat manufacturer's instructions. The seat should be securely and tightly fastened into the vehicle, and the child should be properly buckled into the seat. When it comes to child safety seats, there is no one-size-fits-all approach. They are designed for specific age, height, and weight ranges, so it's important to choose the right seat for your child's current age and size. Let's break down the Wisconsin Child Passenger Safety Law. Children must ride in the rear-facing car seat until they are both 1 year and 20 pounds. They are safest riding in the rear-facing car seat as long as the car seat allows. A rear-facing car seat must be placed in the back seat of a vehicle unless there isn't a back seat. Then, children must ride in a forward-facing car seat until they are both 4 years old and 40 pounds. They are safest riding in a forward-facing car seat as long as the car seat allows. A forward-facing car seat must be placed in the back seat of a vehicle unless there isn't a back seat. Then, children must ride in a booster seat until they are either 8 years old or 80 pounds or 4 feet 9 inches. They are safest riding in a booster seat until the adult seat belt fits across the shoulder, low on the hips with the child's back against the vehicle seat, and knees bent over the seat bottom. Once the child outgrows the booster seat requirements, they can begin using the vehicle's seat belt. It is safest for a child to sit in the back seat of the vehicle until they are at least 13 years old. By following these guidelines and choosing the right child safety seat for your child's age and size, you can help protect your child in the event of a car crash. Always remember to register your child's car seat with the manufacturer to receive important safety updates and recall notices. It's a small step that can make a big difference in keeping your child safe on the road and securing their future. Certified child passenger safety technicians can help guide you on proper car seat use and answer questions. To find out the closest technician in your area, visit zeroinwisconsin.gov.